Federation of All School Teachers Meglaya nen kasi kelarai ban Pynsangeh shwa Shipor kumba shitayo ya ka Jingiakhih da ka jing kmitlenti bak sarkar kan ai jing Pynsangeh da ka jing tho man pinkiw ya ka tulop jo kinong kai ad hoc sha ka khat prahajar na lor ka jing pinkiw tulop da san na ka shispa man law snem haba ai jing kren ba kinong tho khubor u General Secretary ka Fastom u ba Andrew Lingkhoi laong ba ya kani karai la shim hadin ba additional chief secretary bakmi ya ka tanat puli puthi u ba DP watlang ula pentikna yaki ba on pa ikijing da waj sha u menteri rang ba ka jela halani shwa ka sngi tho ding u ba Lingkhoi laong ba ka sinjuk kan up tat hadu ka nyong terik u jemang ban ai da ka jing tho ba kala shim khia ban khmi ya ka jing da wa jongki u General Secretary ke Fastom u laong ba ya ki nong hikai la kerpat ba kinlet shala school ban pendep ya laki kamram hinrei kin om kin randin bat kinang pen klan chu shu ya ka Jingiakhih la da ka sarkar ka le bum si nyau kat kum kapor balabo.
A positive response, even though not from the office, not from the ministers concerned, but from the officials. Hence, the CEC had eased the non-cooperation movement, and the teachers, the members of Fastom, are requested to go back to their work fields to take classes. Those who are doing corrections would go back to the correction centers, and those who are given other responsibilities by the government, they would also have to take their responsibilities.
Karat Laban Sports, Social and Cultural Organization